understand what's going on.
Walking in the ice is so slippery.
Tap?
My shoes is actually already for the walking shoe stuck.
Ale?
I don't know, maybe this walking in the ice.
So funny, huh? And look, the lake is frozen, huh? It was nice snowing yesterday, tak? Ale already melting, tak? Winters nowadays are not so strong, tak? But the lake
Be
is...
careful, no?
Very good, sir. You have a nice shoes, for walking in the snow. PTS is not that frozen, it could be ice skating. How do you feel?
It's good,
Good?
but slippery. I'm walking slower than usual. But it's nice at the sunny day now.
And it's actually warm. Tak? What's up? How you doing? It's the 6th of December. Well, January actually, 2025, and it's public holiday here in Poland today. So
You're still on Christmas mood, don't you?
Yeah, this is the last day of the 2 weeks long holidays. I'm happy as the holidays finish because if it's too much, it's too much and it's too long. So tomorrow on Tuesday, everything gonna be back to normal, to business, right? So we're having like a walk, little bit, strolling around. I'm gonna show you what's going on. Yesterday was snowing. Last night, maybe if you follow my Instagram, you see I make a nice roll on the Insta story with the snow falling, and it was -2. Today it's already like a spring, it's like a +5 or something, and everything is melting. That's why it's slippery, right? After that, let's see, maybe winter is already finishing. Let's see. Anyways, they are not so strong winters like long time ago. When I was small kid, there was really big snows, like a lot of snow and -30 degree. I was going to school if it was -29, if -30 they close the school. Today if it's -5 it's already end of the world. But that's life, how it's changing and world is changing. We're gonna stroll around and show you a little bit what's going on here in the park nearby where we are living.
My favorite bridge actually, I will show you. And I think that they are cleaning the lake.
Oh.
They have a small boat.
Oh yeah, they see something they're cleaning. It's nice at least it's sunny. It's should be better if it will be it will be better if it will be snowing. But yeah, they have some machine. I think they're cleaning every winter. They're cleaning the bottom of the lake, right? You see the machine like this one. Yeah, Bali have no machine like that for cleaning. Yeah, but that's how it is. People running, you see, like you said yesterday, there is no bad weather. It's only bad clothes and bad attitude.
Everybody has to be active no matter what the season is.
That's
It's
it.
nice to see that people are coming to the park no matter what the weather is like.
Right. So many people, especially like who go out of Poland, like in the 70s or 60s, late 60s, 70s, especially 60s and 70s, and even 80s, especially people who migrate to Australia, to States, and so on. They remember the winters. I even remember, I'm the 90 kid, but I remember the winters when it was really, really, really a lot of snow. I mean, like really, like this. And it was, everything was like paralyzed, like you couldn't get out of home and everything. The trams, the bus couldn't go because so much snow. Even like I said previously, when I was like a 10, the school was closed only when it's -30 degree. When it was -29, I still go to school. I remember it was like crispy, very cold, you know. And now it's changed. Now everything is like winters. It's like you can see barely snow, and everybody are happy because you can still see the snow. Maybe in 20 years there will be no snow at all. So everything is changed. That's why the winters are not that bad like that for Winnie. Yes, Sayang?
Tak.
Yeah, it's just different. There is not that much winters. Even in Canada, when I was speaking with my friend last time, there is not that much snow like past few years ago, you know. So yeah. It's pretty sad actually. I like snow.
And look, the people behind you, you know, in the playground, no matter what the weather is, you see, children are happy with them.
Yeah, because like I said already many times, there is not sort of thing like it's cold so you have to stay home. It's just you wear the proper outfit and your attitude, your mindset must be different. There's nowhere else is bad. But it's even people in the Siberia have a -70 degree and they still going out if they have to. So it's like, you know, like 5 degree on the minus is nothing. Like It's like 35 on the in the hot country. It's also hot. Same thing. Oh, Winnie was the Miss Bali, like a Tabanan, right? Long time ago. When
2007.
2007. And how old you were at that time?
17.
17. And my mama, when I was like a 10, there was the casting for the One TV movie production. Actually, I remember it was in December, and my mama signed me up because she thought that I'm handsome. Like every man thinks their son is handsome anyway. And I was really excited about this one. Maybe I will be working in the TV and in the movies. Now I am the YouTuber, so actually somehow it's working out, right? However, there was that much snow at that time. I think it was like, I don't know, 2000 or 2001 or 2002 maybe, as we couldn't get out of home. It was like totally everything was covered with snow, and it was like a 1.5 meter, and in Poland we calling zaspy, something like that, where you couldn't move out by car or something. So I didn't make it to this casting, and it's a pity as that's happened. Now you don't need to worry about that, because there will be not that much snow for sure, unfortunately or fortunately. Yeah.
Yes, but the thing that you see, like Poland has changed a lot into better and better.
Yeah, generally better and better. Of course, that's true, but that's economical way of point of view. Now we are talking about the weather. I prefer more snow. No? You know, for you probably happiest not much snow, huh? And not so cold. Huh? As you can see, still many people going for the morning walk with the kids, with the doggos, even the bike cafes selling the hot cappuccino in the park in the cold weather. So that's how does it look like over here. At least that's how it is in Poznan. Yeah.
Like I told you, many family are here. Surprisingly, even they walk with the dog, and the dog has a winter outfit.
Yeah.
Come.
Oh yeah. Oh, they're fighting now. But they have a clothes for winter, tak? Nice. Big doggo met small doggo. Law of the nature, tak? Alright. Let's film some kaczka, the duck, bebek. Yes, what's happening?
I prefer to walk here rather than walk on the walk path over there.
Oh, because on the snow easier to walk and more nicer, tak? Pity is there is no more snow actually, but nice. And if you walk on the snow like this, it's not slippery, but on the melted ice is slippery, tak?
On the walking path it's so slippery.
This is what I'm talking about, or Winnie talking about. Actually, doggo have a proper outfit. So yeah, doggo dress so hot like Yula.
Fancy doggo.
And this is Winnie kaczka, which is bebek, which is duck. So yeah. Tell me what you asked me this morning. Tell to the people.
Hey, you know what? Because I was thinking that the frozen lake and then the duck gonna be a frozen like a bebek beku, because like a freezing. But look, wow, they're still alive and they're enjoying their time. Actually, when the river already melted, and see, I think that a warmer water. Many family are here.
And the kaczka bebek is okay.
And they have a many colorful bebek.
I can see that. They are happy. I'm gonna film them a little bit to show you. Happy kaczka. Like this one. And this one. Those two. So many happy kaczka, tak?
No, because they are not cooked as a bebek goreng. That's why the bebek in Europe, they are happy, live in the nature. But the bebek or the ducks, in way back in my village in Bali, in the rice field, they put a fence on that. They are so loud, but look at this, they are not as loud as the one in my hometown. Maybe because they know they live happily in the nature. In Bali, they know they will be cooked as bebek goreng. That's why they are loud.
Kaya you're enjoying the afternoon walk, sayang?
After
busy time of working, right? Alright. Short video today, ale bata we make it something, tak?
small thing update about our brand new year 2025
And thoughts
still time.
about winter.
And then we wish you having a really great year. Thanks for watching and see you next time.
See you next time. Take care.